This is part 2 of the directions for create a quiz in slides. So we just finished our 8th slide. We're going to go all the way back up to slide number 1, and we're going to link the different buttons to get to different slides. So the first thing I need to do is click on Start, and then I'm going to go up to my toolbar and click on Insert Link. And I'm not going to paste a link. I want to click on Slides in this presentation, and I want it to go to slide number 2. So I click on slide number 2 and then apply. So what will happen now when we present this slide, when you click on Start, it'll bring us to slide number 2. So here's slide number 2. I'm going to click on the 4. So I highlight the 4, and I'm going to go ahead and insert a link. And 4 is the incorrect answer. So I want to have this one go to slide number 3, which says try again, and apply. And then highlight 6, and this was the correct answer. So I want this to go to slide number 4, which says correct. So I'm going to go down to slide 4, apply. And then for me too, I like to, when you link them, it underlines them. I just like to take that off. So I highlight it and then click on underline to get rid of it, but that's up to you. And then also I'm going to go ahead and put a border around my numbers. You don't have to do that, but again, I think it makes it look a little bit nicer. So again, border color, and then I just did a border weight of 2. So that's what it looks like. Going to slide number 3, we want to click on back, and we want to create a link or insert a link. And this one we want to go back to slide number 2. So we're going to go slide 2, apply, and then slide 4 with the correct answer, we want to click on next, and that's going to, we want this to bring us to slide number 5. And I know I'm going kind of fast through this, but when you try it out, you'll see how it works. So you're going to do this again with slide number 5, slide number 6, and slide number 7. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that up, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, so I finished all of my links, so I'm going to go ahead and test it out now. So click on View, and then Present. And now if you click on Start, it should bring you to the next slide. If you click on the wrong answer, it should say try again. When you click on back, it brings you back to your question. Click on the right answer, and it says correct. Click on next, and we have our next one. So again, click on 6, it's a wrong answer. Back, 8 is the right answer. And if we hit next, it says congratulations, you finished the quiz. So the last thing we're going to do, I guess we actually have 2 more things to do. We're going to add some color. So if you like on congratulations, we're going to add some color to that text, and we're going to do one more thing for our quiz, and I'll show you that in just one second. So the last thing we're going to do is we're going to insert a shape over our whole slide. And the reason is if I go to View, Present, and I click anywhere on the slide, it advances it. So if I just click up here, it's advancing through all my slides, even though I'm not clicking on my buttons. So in order to change that, we're going to go to our very first slide, and we'll do this for all the slides. Click on Shape, click on the rectangle, and you're just going to click and drag from the top corner to the bottom corner. So it should cover your entire slide. So now you just see white. And let's go ahead and add a fill color for this just so it's easier to see. So mine is purple now. Now when I have this, I want to click on Insert Link, and I want to link this to the page that it is. So this is slide number 1. So I want to keep it as slide 1 and apply it. And then I'm going to right click, and I'm going to order it to the back. So now it looks like a background. The reason that we're going to do this is now when I have this slide, if I click anywhere on there besides Start, it will just stay on the slide. So let me show you what it looks like. View, Present. Now if I click anywhere on the slide, you can see what I'm clicking. You see that red circle. It doesn't advance. It just brings me to this slide. But when I click on Start, it brings me to slide number 2. So you need to continue that for all your slides, to stretch it over all your slides. When you are finished, I'll show you what it should look like. This is the example that I did. So View, on mine, I click anywhere, it stays on that slide. When I click Start, it goes to my answers. So if I get it wrong or incorrect, if I get it correct, it looks like this all the way until I get to my end. So this is what it should look like when you are finished.